Hi everyone, in the next 2 minutes, you are going to understand exactly what Laravel Blade is and why it's so useful. Let's get started. Blade is Laravel's powerful template engine. It helps you build HTML pages faster, cleaner, and with less repetition. Instead of writing plain HTML everywhere, Blade lets you insert variables, run loops, create conditions, reuse layouts. So let's just talk about some Blade syntax. So this is the Blade syntax. And if you want to write if statement, you have to write it like this. You have to say at if, then first parenthesis, then the condition, and you have to end it by saying at and if. Now let's talk about loops. You have to say at, then for each, then first parenthesis, inside it condition, and after that you have to end up for each also. Blade also lets you create layouts so you don't repeat the same header and footer on every single page. Let's go for an example. Now here you can see this is the body part, and here let's say I want to extend this design in the different page, so I can actually extend it through add extends and then the page name within the parenthesis and single quotation. Now I want to add a section here, so I'll say add section and then add in section. And in the section, I want to give it a name. Section name, let's say content. And inside it, we are going to write hello from Blade. Now, we have to go back to the root page. Now here in the body, we have to just say add yet, then the section name. So the section name will be added here. This is really simple, right? So that's it. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.